Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do bubble and dew point calculation in DWSIM using Peng-Robinson equation of state. Here is my problem statement. Calculate the temperature and composition of a vapor in equilibrium with a liquid that is 40 mole percent benzene and 60 mole percent toluene at a 1 atm pressure. Using DWSIM, I have to find out bubble point temperature T and vapor composition Y benzene and Y toluene at bubble point temperature. Here I will take that property package Peng-Robinson equation of state. Now first I am clicking that DWSIM software. Here you will see the window of the DWSIM, and here first I will click the create new and it will go to the simulation widget. So first I'm clicking create new. So it will open simulation configuration widget. Now here I'm just clicking next. Here it will ask the compound. So here we have benzene and toluene, so we have to select that benzene and clicking on the checkbox, and then next is toluene. So here again click the checkbox. So here added compound benzene and toluene. Now I am clicking the next. Now here I have to take the property package. So in our problem the property package is Peng-Robinson equation of state. So I add that Peng-Robinson equation of state package, and then I am clicking the next. So here the units are all SI. Now here I am taking customize unit, here C5. So here I am going to change the pressure part to atm, because in our problem the pressure is in atm. So now here I am clicking next. We don't have to do any other things, so we are clicking next and finish. Now first we have to select material string. So here I am dragging and put it here, and I am making bigger. Now if I clicking that arrow, so now here I have to give the material specification. Now here property package is Peng-Robinson. Now input data stream condition. So here I am taking that pressure and vapor fraction. So if vapor fraction is 0, that means it is a saturated liquid, and if vapor fraction is 1, that will be saturated vapor. So now here, so the pressure is 1 atm, that is set. We don't have to do any other thing, that is different. Now here, as the vapor phase mole fraction I am selecting as a 0, means I am taking as a 0, so that is saturated liquid. Now here that I am clicking the compound amount. So here benzene and toluene. So if I click on that, so default is equimolar. Okay, now in our problem, so benzene is 40% and toluene is 60%. So here I have to change the mole fraction. Benzene is 0.4 and toluene is 0.6. So now you know that in binary mixer the total mole fraction must be 1. So you can see that total is 1. Okay, now here we have to accept that. So we have to click here accept, and then we have to solve that. Okay, even if you don't solve, it will automatically calculate, because this problem is very easy. Now if you see the result, so here, so our phase is in saturated liquid, and in the saturated liquid means that is bubble point temperature, bubble point condition. So temperature is 95.0939, and as in the bubble point the vapor and liquid is in equilibrium. So benzene vapor component is 0.615 and toluene vapor composition 0.384. So you can easily see the things. Now again in input data, if I put that vapor phase mole fraction is 1, so that will calculate the dew point. Dew point calculation. In the dew point temperature is here, you can see it is 101 353 degrees centigrade. And in the dew point, the vapor and liquid will be equilibrium. So vapor phase benzene is 0.4 and toluene is 0.6, and in the liquid, in that the dew point, in particular temperature and pressure, so that is 0.22 benzene and toluene is 0.779084. So we got the temperature as well as that the composition. So this is dew point, and if I put 0, so that will be bubble point. Now if I draw that the TXY diagram or PXY diagram, we will get all this temperature. Now I am going to draw that. So for that we have to go to the utilities, add utility. Here material stream, so binary phase envelope, flow sheet 1. Okay, so already we renamed that, and add utility. So now here we got that the x-axis and y-axis. So compound 1 benzene, compound 2 toluene. Now envelope type TXY, PXY, TXY and PXY. Now here TXY diagram, so VLE diagram. Okay, so x-axis is mole fraction. Now pressure and temperature is here. Now if I just press calculate, property package is Peng Robinson, so we can take different property package and then we can also compare. Now here if we calculate, you can see here that is the PXY diagram. Now from here, so that green color is bubble point curve, and that red is dew point. Now if we go from 0.4, because benzene in the liquid is 0.4. Now if I go here, okay, 0.4, so you can see the temperature is 995.0938. so that we got in that flow sheet. Now again if we go to that here, so dew point curve, so again temperature is 101.3528. okay, now here if we see here, so that is that bubble point temperature. In the bubble point temperature, what will be the composition of in vapor? So liquid is 0.4 and 0.6, and what will be the vapor composition? For that, so here if I draw the line from here, if I draw the line, so it will go here, so that is the bubble point, and from here if I draw the horizontal line, so that is 95 point something. Okay, so that is bubble point temperature. Now if I extend that, so that will touch the dew point temperature. Okay, and from here if I go down, okay, so that will give the as it is a vapor liquid equilibrium, so that will give that V plus, sorry, here it is a V plus L, so V benzene will be 0.6 something 2 maybe, and you know V liquid of benzene, sorry, liquid benzene, so that is 0.4. Now the toluene, so 1 minus 62 and 1 minus L, so you will get the toluene in liquid. That we already know. We have to calculate the toluene in vapor. We can do that 1 minus something. Now here, again if I select PXY and then calculate, so we will get the PXY diagram. Now here if I draw the TXY diagram, then that if I choose that TXY envelope, and if I calculate, so we will get that. So now from here, if I go here, see from here, so here, so we can easily see that benzene in liquid is 0.4 and benzene in vapor, so that is 0.6156. Okay, so now we know the temperature of the bubble point, something 95, and composition we can easily get that. Now here we also can calculate the PXY. Okay, so from here we'll get it. So 0.6956. So that way we can calculate the composition, everything. That's it. Thank you.